Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So if you like what you see, make sure you keep watching because I'm definitely giving you guys the details to this style. I'm in love, and I'm about to do a DIY photo shoot, so I'm pretty excited. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's get into it. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, and yeah, let's get into this video. Hey boss babes and dons. So yes, I did this on not freshly washed hair. I made sure that I combed everything out. I figured that this style would be way easier on pre-stretched hair instead of freshly washed hair because of shrinkage. So yes, make sure I combed it out. You guys know parting is essential. So I just kept the second part braided down and I just worked with the first part, so it kind of actually worked out for me because the first part is what I'm working with. I use my Flawless Edge Control by Gabrielle Union, the product of the month. Make sure you check out the video that I have for my product of the month. But yeah, use that to just define my part a lot more because you guys know parting is hard. Like OMG, is hard. So honestly, the video pretty much is self-explanatory. I just pretty much did sections and put sections in sections and put those sections in sections, if that makes sense. So let's get into it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Please. And yeah, keep going with me because honestly, this is probably my favorite hairstyle that I've done. So I'm pretty excited about that. The rubber bands, y'all, do not clown me. They were breaking during this whole process because, you know, them little colorful rubber bands are cheap. They're not durable like the black rubber bands. So, you know, I had to make it do what it do. So, yeah, keep watching. Thank you, guys.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. Oh, yeah. It's true. I wanna be down. I know I'll be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, that I got plenty of, I'll dedicate all my love to you only, baby. I wanna stay by your side, be there to cool you out, and let you know everything will be alright. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. No matter the time. It's true.
Just one of them days when I wanna be all alone. It's just one of them days when I gotta be all alone. It's just one of them days when I wanna be all alone. It's just one of them days when I gotta be all alone. It's just one of them days. Don't take it personal. Just wanna be all alone. Think I treat you wrong. I wanna take some time out to think things through. I know it always feels like I'm doing you wrong, but I'm so in love with you. So understand that I'm only in love, you're the only one I need. one I need. I'll be there for you when you need me, boy. So baby, don't you leave. That a girl goes through when I'm angry inside. Don't wanna take it out on you. Just one of them things. Don't take it personal. I just wanna be all alone when you think I treat you wrong. Just one of them days. Just one of them days that a girl goes through when I'm angry inside. I don't wanna take it out on you. Just one of them things. Don't take it personal. I just wanna be all alone when you think I treat you wrong. Don't take it personal. Baby, 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 baby. Don't take it personal. Yeah. Don't take it personal. Just one of them days. Just one of them days a girl goes through when I'm angry inside. Don't wanna take it out on you. Just one of them things. Don't take it personal. I just wanna be all alone. You think I treat you wrong? Don't take it personal, baby. 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 Just one of them days. Just
fuck everyone. Just run away from the daily routine. Yeah, you know what I mean. Telling everybody all mine that I'm thinking, and I really hope you don't mind. I can't fight it. No, you know I cannot hide it. I'm so excited that I finally decided it's been another perfect day with ya. Wanna lay with ya, spend the night with ya, and spend my life with ya. Alright, alright, alright. Yeah, you heard me right. I'll go everywhere you go. You know I'll go everywhere you go. Just do whatever we want and tell everyone that we fell in love with each other.
So I literally did a change of plans. I was planning on braiding this hair, but I'm loving the wild look. Like, and I was also planning on putting the flowers in there individually, but it just was not working. And when I really thought about it, I was like, this itself is beautiful. Like, so yeah, we're done. Get into it. Jumping into spring. I don't really know what captions I'm gonna use, so yeah, we'll see. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, and yeah, keep coming back for more. Thank you guys.